Hello guys, it's PowerGo here. So today I'm gonna change my license plate light bulbs. To do this I'm gonna need my T10 LED light bulbs. So without further ado, let's start this. So to take out this transparent bulb holder, we're gonna need to push it to the right side and lift the left side up like that, and we let it free. Now inside the transparent bulb holder we can see there is a plastic white LED holder. So to release it free, we are gonna just push it one side and another one. Fuck. Okay, so push this one, yeah, and it should be free. Yep, and it's free, as you can see. Now transparent holder we can just take away by pressing it against this plastic piece, and it's out. Next we take our bad LED and just simply take it away. Take our new LED bulb and push it back like so. And before closing everything, we're just gonna test it out. Nope, it doesn't work. So we're gonna take the bulb out and turn 180 degrees and put it back in. So as it's working, all good. Okay, so the hard part is to connect this transparent holder to that white holder back in. I'm gonna try it. Okay, take this piece out. Okay, shit. Fucking bikers. Okay, so we just need to connect them together like so, and just press back in. Oh my god, no. You just need to press both sides back into that transparent holder. One side is down and another to go. Come on, don't be shy. Okay, yes, heard that clicking noise. So to put it back together, we pull the left side in it and just press the right side like so, and it's in place. So yeah, that's a small job to do all this shit, but it's worth it. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye.